With our new extension for VS Code, we're meeting software engineers where they are. This extension gives developers seamless access to Pluralsight content when they need it, so they can troubleshoot even faster. Let's see it in action. So now I'm building a shopping cart for my web app in React. From within my project, I can see content recommendations based on the dependencies of my file, like this path on React. I can also see workspace-related content recommendations, like a JavaScript arrays and collections course, since I have a JSON file open. If I needed help on any other framework, library, or coding practice, the ability to search Pluralsight's entire library is just a click away. I can even access my team's Pluralsight channels or Q&A right here within VS Code. Now, if I run into a roadblock, I don't need a 2-hour course, I need a 2-minute clip. That's where clip recommendations can help. When I open this Firebase file, the extension suggests clips like this one on how to build a real-time app with React, Flux, Webpack, and Firebase, including some great demos. I can even highlight a section of code or specific syntax for even more targeted recommendations. So that's the extension. Be sure to download it today for free from the Visual Studio Code Marketplace.